Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. Today we're in Rosehaven, which is in Port Richey, which is right off of Moon Lake. It's all part of the new development over here. We just did a 2-car, no baseboard, full chip, polyaspartic top coat. So we had to grind this really well. Excuse me. Filled the expansion joints, a few cracks. Rounded over the lead edge. Chip that in. This color is Domino. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Port Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.